Okay, what's up guys? So in today's video, we're gonna be testing some stuff out. I got Clip Studio Paint open right now, and I've been playing around with the oil paint brushes on here. If you've seen it in my Pal World videos, where I'm making Pal World monsters into Pokemon style, check it out right there. I've been using the oil paint brush to kind of get that old 90s nostalgic kind of look to it. And so we're going to be playing around with that today. I'm going to be making a portrait, and then I'm going to try to use the oil paint brush to give it that nice little style. So this is the oil paint. It comes with Clip Studio Paint, the program. Let's see what it does. So as I said, I've been playing around with it. It kind of like blends in with each other, makes it a little darker if you do more layers. You can add a white and it'll kind of like blend on top of that layer. Let's see if we can take some colors and blend them together. So I'm gonna add some green, and I'm gonna use this like it's paint basically. So let's take some green and red. Take some green, take some red, and then we're gonna see if we can like blend it in. See how it goes like kind of transparent on top? That's definitely a nice look. It might not be the easiest to blend from what I'm seeing so far, but it definitely does give that look to it. And like when you zoom in on it, it has a nice canvasy texture, I'd say. So that's kind of cool. I like how it does that. And then you can come back in with a blend tool and kind of like blend those together if you really wanted to. So that's kind of cool. It's kind of getting rid of it for some reason. I need to play around with the blend tool a little more, but like I was saying, these oil brushes, they work really well, especially if you're trying to get that watercolory oil paint look. So yeah, these definitely blend a lot. I can tell it's hard to put a color on top of a color. It kind of doesn't want to do that sometimes, like actual paint, basically. So that's kind of cool. It's like I'm actually oil painting in a way. I've never really actually used oil paint other than maybe like once or twice. I would like to get back into trying new mediums like oil paint. That would be cool. But yeah, so this is pretty self-explanatory. So we're gonna go straight into drawing a portrait and then trying this out on that portrait. Okay, so I'm gonna do this in time-lapse style as I usually do. Starting off with the sketch of the portrait that I'm doing. I do have a reference photo off camera that I'm using, so that's one thing. I like how the style came out so far. It's really cool using these kind of pencil brushes is what I'm using for this. So I figured that would help with the oil paint brush. And now I'm just gonna ink in all of the sketch lines. I turned that opacity way down and putting in all the ink lines down so it looks nice and clean. And right off the bat with the nice like skin toned oil paint brush. So I love how this is blending. It definitely worked out really well to kind of get that watercolory oil painty feel to it, which is really cool. I'm definitely gonna use this in more of my art from now on. I don't just stick to one style. I like doing cartoony stuff. I like doing realistic stuff. I like doing just anything related to art. So this is definitely a good tool. And it comes with Clip Studio Paint, so that's great. And now we're just going to watercolor in the hair. I chose this like green kind of natural earthy colors. I thought they went well together. And I'm loving how easy it is to blend things. Sometimes it gets a little difficult, but if you add a little bit like if I wanted like white highlights, then I would add like a brush stroke of white and then just kind of use the oil brush to paint that in. So it's grabbing from something white. Because if you were to just try to use the oil paint on top of like, say, her shirt that's black, it wouldn't show the white as much. That's why you have to kind of draw in the white for it to pull that out, basically. It's like painting. If you add more white to the canvas, then, you know, more layers, and it'll show up, if that makes sense. Okay, so this is the final result of the portrait using the oil paints from Clip Studio. I definitely recommend trying this if you have Clip Studio. If you don't have Clip Studio, I definitely recommend getting Clip Studio. It has helped me tremendously in the past 2-3 years on improving my artwork digitally. So I definitely recommend checking that out. I'll have a link down below to the website. It's very affordable too. But these oil paintbrushes come with it. You can also get new paintbrushes off of the site and everything, so that's cool. I will try some more. I just bought Jazza's from Draw with Jazza, his YouTube channel. He has paintbrushes, so I might make a video with those sometime soon. But this was awesome. I'm definitely gonna keep using this technique, and it was really fun. It definitely made a nice result. And if you like this video, like I said, please leave a like down below. Comment what you thought of the oil paint brush, if you like this style, and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. Man, what is wrong with this computer? I don't know what's going on. Oh! Hey, let me lift you up real quick. There we go. If you liked the video you just watched, if you could please like this video. Comment down below what you liked about the video, or what I told you to comment down below at the beginning of the video, whatever happened. And also, the biggest one of them all, please subscribe to this channel, because I will be making plenty more art and tutorial videos and just vlogs and everything in between. Like I said, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and also, if you're watching this on a TV screen, I saw someone else do this before, take your phone out, take the camera out if you're using a smartphone. I hope you are, it's 2024. And take a picture of this QR code. This QR code tells you to subscribe. So, better not make it angry. All right, I'll see y'all later, peace. God, he's gonna kill me. Ah! Subscribe.